Good morning, everyone. This is Teacher Joy and welcome to another video lesson on grade 7 mathematics. Come and let's start learning. So for today's lesson, we are going to discuss about angles formed by parallel lines cut by a transversal. So here are the following objectives. Number 1, define parallel and transversal lines. 2. Identify the angles formed by parallel lines cut by a transversal. So let's have the following definition of terms. First one, what is a parallel line? Two lines are said to be parallel if and only if they are coplanar. So when we say coplanar, they are on the same plane and do not intersect. While transversal line are lines that intersect at two or more distinct points. So let's have the following example of transversal line. First one, second, and third. Then the fourth one, it has no transversal since it only intersects at one distinct point compared to the first three examples. So let's get started. So here is my map in learning. So first one, we have to identify the different angles and define them. Next is study the example and answer the given example. Then we have our activity and then answer the activity. And then the last one, we have the generalization. So let us study the given example. So given A and B are parallel lines cut by a transversal C as seen in the illustration below. So how many angles are formed? What are those angles? Can you identify all of them? So let's find out. So angles formed by parallel lines cut by a transversal. So first one, we have the interior angles. This is the first angle pair. When we say interior angles, those are angles between the parallel lines. So here, we have angle 3, angle 4, angle 6, and angle 5. Those are examples of interior angles. Next, we have exterior angles. When we say exterior angles, those are angles outside the parallel lines. So angle 1, angle 7, angle 2, and angle 8. Those are examples of exterior angles. Next is the alternate interior angles. When we say alternate interior angles, both are interior angles, non-adjacent and on the opposite side of the transversal line. Examples, we have angle 3 and angle 5, angle 4 and angle 6. Next one, we have the alternate exterior angles. When we say alternate exterior angles, both angles are in the exterior, non-adjacent, and on the opposite side of the transversal. Example, we have angle 1 and angle 8, angle 2 and angle 7. Next one, corresponding angles. When we say corresponding angles, one of the angles are found in the interior and one is in the exterior. They are also non-adjacent and on the same side of the transversal line. So let's have an example. Angle 1 is paired with angle 6. Angle 2 is paired with angle 5. Angle 3 is paired with angle 7. Angle 4 is paired with angle 8. Next, angle pair is the interior angles on the same side of the transversal. So both interior angles, non-adjacent and on the same side of the transversal line. Example, we have angle 3 and angle 6, angle 4 and angle 5. They are example of interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Next one, we have exterior angles on the same side of the transversal. So both exterior angles, non-adjacent and on the same side of the transversal line. Examples, we have angle 1 paired with angle 7, angle 2 paired with angle 8. So let's have the example. Given M and T are parallel lines cut by a transversal P. So as seen in the illustration, we have this one. So identify the following angle pairs. 1. Interior angles. 2. Exterior angles. 3. Alternate interior angles. 4. Alternate exterior angles. 5. We have corresponding angles. 6. Interior angles on the same side. And 7. Exterior angles on the same side of the transversal. So let's have the following answers. So for interior angles, we have angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, and angle 7. Angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, and angle 7 are the answer for interior angles. Next, exterior angles. We have angle 1, angle 2, and angle 9. They are found outside of the parallel lines. So for number 3, alternate interior angles. So we have angle 5 and angle 7. Angle 4 and angle 6. Here, alternate exterior angles. We have angle 1 and angle 9, angle 2 and angle 8. So another, how about the corresponding angles? So corresponding angle, angle 1 corresponds to angle 7. And then another pair, angle 2 and angle 6. Another, angle 4 and angle 8. And last one, angle 5 and angle 9. Those are examples or the answer for corresponding angles. Next, interior angles on the same side of the transversal. So, interior angles on the same side of the transversal, the answer is angle 4 and angle 7. Angle 5 and angle 6. They are the interior angles on the same side of the transversal. 7, the last one, exterior angles on the same side of the transversal. So we have angle 1 and angle 8, angle 2 and angle 9. So let's have an activity. So given line J is a transversal of parallel lines O and Y. So here is the illustration. So we have the following angles formed: angle A, B, C, D, and angles 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let us identify the following angle pairs. Number 1, alternate interior angles. Number 2, alternate exterior angles. Number 3, corresponding angles. 4, interior angles on the same side of the transversal. And 5, exterior angles on the same side of the transversal line. So let us study the answers. So here are the activity answers. For alternate interior angles, we have angle C and angle 2, angle D and angle 1. They are alternate interior angles here. So let's have color. So here one. Here is the alternate interior angles. Next. So we have alternate exterior angles. So we have angle A and angle 4, angle B and angle 3. So here, next color, we have yellow. So alternate, we have here. There. Next one is corresponding angles. So angle 1 and angle A, angle B and angle 2, angle C and angle 3, angle D and angle 4. Next. For number 4, interior angles on the same side of the transversal. So we have angle C and angle 1, angle D and angle 2. And the last one, exterior angles on the same side of the transversal. So angle A and angle 3, angle B and angle 4. So my learnings, we have angles are formed if parallel lines are cut by a transversal line and they are called angle pairs. Next, interior angles, we have alternate interior angles on the same side of the transversal line. And then letter B, we have exterior angles, we have alternate exterior angles, and then exterior angles on the same side of the transversal line. And the last one are corresponding angles. Thank you for listening and see you again on our next video session. Bye!